Good morning, adventure seekers. Orcutt Car Show, little Austin Healey 100, black and red convertible. What a sweet looking ride. Shined up nicely. Old Chevy Bel Air. Good looking ride. Those hood-ons. Ford Mustang action. What else we got going on around here today? Kind of a light day at the car show. Getting ready for Waller Park later this afternoon. How you doing? All right, 455 cubic inches of meanness in this Firebird. All right, Orcutt Car Show, corner of Clark and Bradley, Sunday morning. Get yourself down here, bring what you got, free to enter. Try to put the stuff together, get us away, 10 o'clock. Go ahead and enter, it's free. Get yourself down here, show us your ride. Hey puppy, I love those eyes. I love those eyes. Yes, you are a cutie. Yes, yes, you are a good looking pooch. Yes, you are a good looking pooch. You're just too excited. A beautiful machine, 1933 Ford. Awesome. Love that. Interior is done up beautifully. Okay, we have our Plymouth for sale. McCall, 1952. Runs like a champ. Rebuilt everything. Gets the phone number there. Call, $9,000. Cambridge could be yours. Interior's done. Everything's good. Give them a call. Alright, what else? Got the Malibu SS. Awesome looking ride. 1946 Ford. Different color of red, but still a beauty. Gotta like that. Let's check out the interior of this one. All original, looking good. Gotta love this pickup truck. Ford done up nicely. Check it out. Roadster. Ford racing engine. Doing good. Love that engine. Can't even close the hood on that beast. Too mean to even close the hood. Ford Bullet. Steve McQueen machine. Look at that. Powered by Ford Racing. Way to do it. Get you there in style. Man, in a hurry. Custom deluxe pickup truck. That Chevrolet station wagon. Modified rear window. Pretty nice. It's one serious window. 300.
No, I like mine.
Of course, got a little four-seater dune buggy. Cruising machine. Got the new seats in it. Looking cool. Nice looking ride. We got the Ranger pickup truck. The patina machine. All you need for a paint job. When the original patina looks that cool, you get painting it. What else we got over here? Street racing ride. Like that. Chevrolet action. KTM Duke. Nice ride, my friend. We'll get you there in a hurry and in style. Sounded good when you rolled in. I like it. I want one. Adventure seekers. Who needs a Hellcat when you have a skunk cat? RT version. Looking good. Opar action. Of course, old slingshot. Get you where you need to go in style. Love this work truck. Land a helicopter on the back of this thing if you have to. Haha. Ford Ranchero 289. She's looking pretty good. Pretty nice. Yellow Falcon convertible. Need the love. Could be yours. Let's see. We get the phone number there in case you're interested. Give us a call. We have a deal on this baby. Cruising down the road. Chevy Impala. This one doesn't need any work. It's ready to roll. It's ready for action. Looking good. Nice looking orange Z28. Check out how beautiful this engine is. Done it up right. That is sweet. Beautiful truck of the flames. I like it. Of course, the Mad Max. Mad Max is serious danger machine. Run over anything. Just don't get in my way, says Mad Max. You will regret it. Of the detail of the interior of this baby. Machine guns, just in case. Soto car on a truck frame. Cool. Beautiful example. Ford pickup truck. Love the gray pinstriping. Slam to the ground. Never a speck of dirt on this one. Takes care of this thing like a baby. Good. Raspberry creamsicle Chevy truck. Like it. Mean looking Chevy Camaro. Nice. Let's see what else we got over here. Very nice looking engine on this one. Looks like it'll get you where you need to go. Just looking paint job. Interior's done up. Sweet looking ride. 1949 Chevrolet Deluxe. Deluxe is the appropriate name for this one. It's one beautiful looking ride. Harley action, 114 cubic inches of meanness. Get you going down the road with this baby. Old school, Oldsmobile 88. What a nice looking ride. Restored beautifully. I love that rocket ship. Nice. Back when they designed machines. Hey. Nice looking red Corvette. Love that color. Looks fast even sitting there. It's a good looking 56 Chevy. Jet black, but looking beautiful. Keeping it shined up. Interior's done up nicely. One cool looking Chevy Bel Air. Put some work into this one. Keeping it clean is half the battle. One good looking yellow Corvette with the red pinstriping. Beautiful ride. Looking nice. No. Right. Some cool looking Jeep here. Like that. Done up right. It's my favorite edition. The FJB edition. Cool. Alright. Good looking Jeep. Right. Little street racing machines. Hiding out in the back of the lot over here. In the corner. Time out. Little Hyundai street racer. What else we got here? Pretty cool looking machine. Yardie off-road. My kind of machine. Hopefully it'll open rock front soon. We get out there and do some off-road. Toyota action.